On track and field, sprinter Ashanti Moore is in the form of her life, running a second personal best in a matter of weeks to win the women's 100-meter A final at the Serbia Athletics International meeting. This a World Athletics Continental Tour bronze level meet on Wednesday. As you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, she was one of two national champions to win at the meet.
Ashanti Moore became the 28th Jamaican woman to go sub-11 after clocking a personal best of 10.94 seconds to win the women's 100 meters A final. Crystal Slowly, the other Jamaican in the event, was fourth in 11.28. Moore's previous personal best 11.06 seconds was done at the 2023 National Championship, where she placed sixth in the 100 meters final. Moore, who is coming off another personal running the 200 meters 2 weeks ago, achieved the World Championship qualifying standard after posting 22.40 seconds to dip under the 22.57 mark. Meanwhile, in the men's 100 meters A final, Michael Campbell and Julian Fort were 5th and 6th respectively, behind winner South African Sibo Matsotso. Dominic Williams was a third in the B final. LaFrance Campbell and Desjour Russell ended 4th and 6th respectively in the men's 110-meter hurdles behind Cuban winner Kendra Lazara Menendez. And the other winner on the day was 2019 World Champs silver medalist Daniil Thomas Dodd. Many-time national champion Thomas Dodd threw 19.04 meters on her 5th attempt to win the women's shot put. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Rather than some football news, after a 5-year absence, the Yardie Sports Challenge Cup returned on Thursday with 8 teams competing over the next 4 days at the UWI Bowl. The tournament serves as